Well, hello again, everybody, to all the parishioners and friends of Sacred Heart Parish in Gladwin. Father Marcel Portelli here with a quick update. The last major step we have to accomplish is the reinstallation of all the pews. This is the last remaining showstopper. Once the pews are in, we can effectively reopen the church and get out of the gym. There are many steps and other details that have to be finished even after the pews are done, but in terms of showstoppers, this is it. All those innumerable other things can be done after the fact. The pews have been beautifully restored, and they're going to be hopefully finished regarding installation by the end of this week. So what you're looking at here are pockets that we had made for our pews. You may recall that the pews didn't have any pockets at all. These are going to be mounted to the back sides of each one, and it'll just make it a lot tidier looking. We can place our hymnals, our missalets, other papers, and so forth in the pockets instead of just leaving them all over the seating surfaces. And what you see here are 2 of the 14 stations of our new Stations of the Cross set. When I say new, I mean new to us, of course. This Stations of the Cross set is quite old. It looks like an antique to me, but the set is in very good condition, and I'm very happy that we're able to get them. They really complete the look on our walls. My understanding is that this set came from an old church elsewhere in the diocese. I'm probably not going to mention the name of the church because I might be wrong. I don't have the official provenance of this set of stations, although I'm pretty sure I know which church it came from. But in any case, the set was kept in storage for many years, and I'm just very happy to say that it is now going to be used in liturgical and devotional use, which is really what it was meant for. And in any case, these really help to fill our walls with color, unlike the rather small set of stations that we had before. And what you see here is the holy oil ambry. The ambry is the container, the housing that holds the 3 bottles of holy oil. One bottle, of course, is currently missing. It's in our temporary chapel, but it'll be brought here very soon. And this ambry is a major improvement over the simple shelf that we had before. Now, in this case, the box itself comes to us from St. Athanasius. The rectangular portion, you might say, came from St. Athanasius. And I had seen this sitting there in the furnace room on the shelf for the last 6.5 years since I've been assigned here. And my guess is that the ambry came originally from the original St. Athanasius Church. So what we did is brought this over here and totally restored it and stained it. Plus we added the header, the beautiful cross header that you see up here. Just add some decorative touches and it looks great. Also added a lock and key and a glass shelf to keep the oil off the wood, plus a lower shelf where we can now put the ritual books and cloths and any other items that we need for whenever we use the holy oils. In the last video, I showed you the St. Joseph shrine, but we didn't have the statue in place. So here it is. And the statue looks great. This is our old statue of St. Joseph. The shrine is effectively done. We're probably going to be adding, maybe a votive candle on the shelf there on the stand just to finish it, but it looks great. Last but not least, here's our Mary shrine. The shrine is effectively complete, although we may be adding a votive candle to the base to give it that finishing touch and to balance it off with the St. Joseph shrine. The shrine uses the old statue of Mary that had been in the church for years and decades, I believe. We have repaired it. Both hands had fingers that were broken off, but it's been repaired and looks almost like new. Somebody told me, in fact, just this morning that the statue was the statue that they used when she was a school child in our school for May crownings. And of course, we still use the statue for our crownings every May. And speaking of crowns, if you're observant, you can see that there is a crown now on her head, a crown referencing the woman of Revelation, crowned with 12 stars. Hope you like that little detail. Well, again, this has been Father Marcel Portelli. Thanks again to all of our parishioners and friends for your prayers and your financial support to get this project done. We're almost open, and I look forward to announcing the reopening date very, very soon. Thank you again for your support. God be with you.